Hi, I'm Jonas Urba. I'm a New York employment lawyer here with Employment Law Reality Check. How do we represent employees without ever meeting them in person? Employment lawyers are doing that more frequently, and people are wondering, how does that even work? Well, the first part is getting on the phone and calling some employment lawyers. We will discuss with you on the phone, no charge, to determine whether you might have a case of discrimination or unpaid wages or some other employment law related matter. And then we probably are going to ask for documents. We'd like to see what you have to support your case. And people wonder, well, how's that going to happen? Sometimes people will image or scan documents with their phones, their iPhones. Other times they'll just take them to Kinko's. It's not that expensive. It costs a few dollars. Kinko's will scan all the documents. I even had a client not too long ago that went out and bought their own scanner and scanned a bunch of documents to me. And so that's pretty much phase one. And then we determine how are we going to prove your case, and I'll ask you probably some tough questions. I think any employment lawyer that's really doing their job is going to want to ask you some questions that maybe you'll feel comfortable answering or not answering, but I think it's really important to establish a rapport with a potential client to see whether each of you can work with one another. Not every lawyer is the right lawyer for the client. You know, I might not be the right lawyer. You might call another lawyer. They might not be the right lawyer. There's nothing wrong with that. But until you start talking to some lawyers and determining whether you can actually work with them, you're not going to know. So last weekend, for example, I reviewed several clients' potential cases with the documents they emailed me. They either emailed documents on wage and hour cases, another one was a discrimination case, and all of those required me to really spend some time and read the documents. Now the next phase is going to be talking some more with the potential client to determine whether litigation or potential litigation is right for us. And so the best thing to do is start calling employment lawyers. Call around. I serve the entire state of New York. I can be reached at